My name is Tanya Parrish, and this is my first attempt at a video discussion of the human cell and its organelles. This is a cell membrane. It is flexible and functions as a barrier around the cell. The cell membrane controls what comes in and what goes out. Inside of the cell is the nucleus. The nucleus serves as the control center. Inside of this control center is where you find DNA. The nucleus stores and protects DNA. The DNA needs protecting because it is a set of instructions for the cell activities. Here in the middle of the nucleus is the nucleolus. It functions as a ribosome factory where ribosomes are produced and assembled. This membrane around the nucleus is called the nuclear envelope. This membrane encloses the nucleus and separates it from the cytoplasm. This network of tubes and sacs is called the endoplasmic reticulum. This area is for production, processing, and transporting of proteins and lipids. There is a rough endoplasmic reticulum and a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This area is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is called rough because these small sacs are attached to its surface, causing it to appear rough. These small sacs that are attached to its surface are ribosomes. Ribosomes make proteins. This area is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is called smooth because it looks and appears smooth because there are no ribosomes attached to the surface. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is where cleanup happens. The cleanup of the cell takes place. This is my favorite area. It is called the Golgi complex. I guess the reason I like it is because it sort of looks like a stack of pancakes and functions like a post office. Sorting and packaging proteins and lipids, getting them ready to be delivered out. The vesicles are small membrane-bound sacs that kind of bud off from the apparatus, and these vesicles transport the materials. The mitochondrion is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. This is where the ATP molecule is produced. This molecule is the cell's main source of energy. The mitochondria have their own DNA and can replicate independently. Lysosomes are known as the cell's garbage disposal system. These small membrane-bound organelles contain digestive enzymes that break down complex carbohydrates into glucose. They get rid of bacteria and break down decaying organelles. Lysosomes clean the cells up and keep them healthy. These are centrioles. Centrioles are small organelles shaped like a cylinder with a star on the end. Centrioles are important for cell division and movement. The centrioles organize microtubules during cell division and separate chromosomes during mitosis, and helps form cilia and flagella, which aids in the moving of substances over the surface of the cell. This area is the fluid part of the cytoplasm. This is called the cytosol. It is inside of the cell. It is kind of like a gel, mainly made up of water, proteins, nutrients, and some dissolved ions. The cytosol helps maintain the shape of the cell and allows molecules and organelles to move within the cell.